A man and a woman are riding next to each other in first class. The man sneezes, pulls out his wang and wipes the tip off. The woman can't believe what she just saw and decides she is hallucinating. A few minutes pass. The man sneezes again. He pulls out his wang and wipes the tip off. The woman is about to go nuts. She can't believe that such a rude person exists. A few minutes pass. The man sneezes yet again. He takes his wang out and wipes the tip off. The woman has finally had enough. She turns to the man and says, 3 times you've sneezed, and 3 times you've removed your penis from your pants to wipe it off. What the hell kind of degenerate are you? The man replies, I am sorry to have disturbed you, Mom. I have a very rare condition such that when I sneeze, I have an orgasm. The woman then says, oh, how strange. What are you taking for it? The man looks at her and says, pepper.